Good morning to all. In today's class of Pedagogy of English, today we will be seeing the topic audio visual aids. In the first unit, resources, we have seen or we have learned about the various resources that can be used by a teacher to teach the child or learner in an interesting and effective way by using this teaching aid. So today we will, in the earlier classes, पिछली क्लास में पिछली कक्षाओं में हमने पढ़ा था विभिन्न प्रकार के रिसोर्सेस, जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था ऑडियो, विजुअल एंड a new resource which is multilingualism. The ability to speak different languages can be used as a resource for teaching English language or any language. So today we will be seeing audio visual aids. How can a teacher make use of audio visual aids and make the teaching more effective and interesting? किस प्रकार एक टीचर ऑडियो विजुअल एड का प्रयोग करके अपने शिक्षण को प्रभावशाली और बना सकता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट ऑडियो एड्स मींस. ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स आर दोस sensory objects or images which initiate or stimulate and reinforce learning. तो ऐसे टूल्स, ऐसे डिवाइस, ऐसे इक्विपमेंट जिनका प्रयोग करके एक शिक्षक अपने शिक्षण को और भी प्रभावशाली बना सकता है या रुचिपूर्ण बना सकता है. So in English we can say that audio visual aids are those sensory objects or images which initiate, stimulate and reinforce learning. ठीक है, जो लर्निंग को प्रोत्साहित करता है, तो और जो इनके द्वारा लर्निंग को प्रोत्साहित किया जा सकता है और we can stimulate a learner और उसको फोर्सफुली भी सिखाया जा सकता है. Sorry, forcefully, so that a learner can learn by get attracted towards the aid. Now जैसा कि आपको पता है, आपको ज्ञात है, आपको जान चुके हो, कई प्रकार आपके स्कूल लेवल से लेकर आपके कॉलेज लेवल तक आपको आपके शिक्षकों ने कई प्रकार के टीचिंग एड्स द्वारा पढ़ाया होगा, जिससे आपका शिक्षण या लर्निंग प्रोसेस जो है और भी इफेक्टिव और वेरी स्पीड हो गया होगा या यू लर्न इन ए वेरी बेटर वे. सो टुडे वी विल सी द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स. व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ यूजिंग ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स? सो फर्स्ट वन वी विल सी दैट they create interest for learning in the So this resource create interest, बच्चों में इंटरेस्ट पैदा करते हैं टू लर्न समथिंग, टू लर्न ए लैंग्वेज और टू लर्न समथिंग. सो इनके द्वारा क्या होता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी कैन क्रिएट इंटरेस्ट. बच्चों के अंदर एक रुचि पैदा कर सकते हैं या उत्साह पैदा कर सकते हैं जिसके द्वारा उनको लर्निंग के ऊपर वे जागरूक हो सके या उनकी रुचि बढ़ सके, टू लर्न समथिंग. सेकंड थिंग, they are time saving because they explain the idea easily and precise. So by utilizing this is we can save our time and we can explain any idea or any topic in a very easy and precise manner. And third one, by the use, the burden of the teacher is reduced. By the use of these aids, teacher can reduce his burden. By using or utilizing this aid in teaching, a teacher can reduce his burden to certain extent. Fourth point, the teacher can improve his English the teacher can improve his English also by utilizing this aid. Next, they help in attracting the concentration of the learner. By hearing and by seeing this audio visual aids, the learner or the child gets attracted towards it, and this help in teaching them, or this help them to learn a language in a very attractive or better manner. So another point is that the teacher can follow the idea of teaching. The teacher can have the idea of teaching idea of principle of concrete to abstract. While making use of this aid, the teacher can follow the principle of teaching the student anything from concrete to abstract, the thing which can see and the abstract an idea or a feeling. Okay, this principle can be followed by a teacher. Now we have seen the advantages of teaching with the help of audio visual aids. So there are different kinds of audio visual aids that can be utilized by a teacher to teach English language in a effective or in a beneficial manner or in a better way, or we can say that in an interesting way. So there are certain objects which can be used as a audio visual aids. First one is computer. So computer can be used as a audio visual aid to teach English in a better way. Second, we can say that television. Through the use of computer aid, I can learn a language very easily, or learn the pattern of the, learn hard words, can learn the pattern of the sentences or grammar of the language and anything. Now second thing is, the second object is television. Through television also, on television there are many programs that have been started, on DD, Doordarshan. A channel is there by name Gyan Vani and Gyan Darshan, where many programs related to education are telecast. So, if you want to learn something, so television is also a very good aid in learning any language. So, a teacher can utilize television also for instruction purpose or to teach a language. Another is we can use mobile phone also. To learn English language. By utilizing internet, and apart from this, there are certain websites also on which you can find websites of English language teaching. There are certain websites which provides the material for learning English. So with the help of this kinds of aids or equipments or tools or device, we can teach English language to a learner or a child. So today we have seen the audio visual aids. With this we complete our first unit, which is resources. All the resources or the equipment that can be used for teaching for English language. So in that we have seen audio visual aids and multilingualism as a resource. So we have completed our first unit today, and we will continue the second unit in our next class. So today's homework for you is write a short note on audio visual aids. So today's homework question is write a short note on audio visual aids. So here I close my class and my class. So before next class, as you know that pandemic disease COVID-19 is spreading all over the world. So we have to be careful from that disease. So stay at home and be careful and be away from the others and be safe. Okay? Thank you.